Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to share an inspiring story about a remarkable young woman named Amara. She's a biology student from Cameroon who's taken it upon herself to start a movement for our planet. Her journey began with some heartfelt tales from her grandfather about how lush and vibrant the environment used to be. It's a story that resonates deeply with many of us, and it lit a fire in her heart to do something about the environmental challenges we face today. Let's dive in. So, let's set the stage. Cameroon, like many other places in the world, has been experiencing rapid environmental changes. Deforestation has become a significant issue, with thousands of trees cut down every year, impacting the air we breathe, the wildlife that calls these forests home, and ultimately the health and livelihoods of local communities. To put it in numbers, studies show that over 60% of the country's forests have been lost in recent decades. Crazy, right? This loss isn't just about trees, it's about a whole ecosystem that's suffering. Now, what inspired Amara? Well, it all started with her grandfather's enchanting stories of a time when Cameroon was a green paradise. He'd talk about the rich biodiversity, the vibrant wildlife, and how interconnected people were with nature. Hearing those stories sparked something in Amarash realized that if we don't act now, the future generations won't even know what they missed. It's this beautiful legacy of family and nature that motivated her to step up and make a change. Armed with passion and determination, Amara didn't wait around for someone else to take the lead. She launched her campaign focused on reforestation and raising awareness about conservation. She set some clear goals: plant trees, educate her community, and get the local youth engaged. Sounds easy, right? But let me tell you, it wasn't without challenges. From securing funding to logistics of planting trees, she faced many roadblocks. Yet, Amara didn't back down. She knew this was bigger than just her, and the effort was worth it. With the help of friends and local volunteers, Amara organized tree planting events where everyone could join in. Over time, they managed to plant thousands of trees. Can you believe that? They chose native species to restore the local ecosystem and foster a healthier environment. One of the most heartwarming parts was seeing young people come out with their families. Some even brought their grandparents along to share in the experience. It was a beautiful fusion of generations working together for a brighter future. But Amara didn't stop there. She realized that planting trees wasn't enough. She needed to educate the community, especially the younger generation. So she started hosting workshops and seminars to talk about conservation, sustainability, and why biodiversity matters. The response was incredible. Young kids, teenagers, and even parents got involved, learning how to care for their environment. Some community members took it to heart and began adopting more sustainable practices in their daily lives. It's amazing how a little knowledge can spark a change. To elevate her campaign even further, Amara knew she couldn't do this alone. She reached out to NGOs and local government bodies and formed partnerships that were essential for securing funds and resources. These collaborations have opened up opportunities for bigger projects and even greater community impact. With each step, Amara's mission grew stronger as more people rallied behind her. Looking ahead, Amara has some lofty goals. She dreams of creating a sustainable network involving local businesses and schools to foster continuous environmental education and action. She believes that if everyone works together, we can revive the local environment and instill a sense of responsibility in future generations. It's not just about planting trees, but creating a culture of care for our planet. So there you have it, Amara's phenomenal journey and her unwavering commitment to the environment. Her story reminds us that each one of us has the power to make a difference. Whether it's planting a single tree or educating your community about conservation, every little effort counts. I encourage you all to explore ways you can get involved in environmental initiatives, whether in your neighborhood or beyond. Let's be the change we wish to see. Until next time, stay green and keep fighting for our beautiful planet.